Hi everyone, welcome back to this session. So today we're gonna be covering up the top 10 question of the artificial intelligence that can be asked in the interview. So let's begin it, right? So I have to give my time on, explaining the all those questions as much as as I can possible, as much as I can possible for that. So first of all, they're gonna ask you the question about the what is artificial intelligence to explain it. So basically that the if we go through the answer with that, so it's a simulation of human intelligence processed by computer system. Simulation, right? The word is the simulation of human intelligence processed by the computer system, and these processes include learning, reasoning, and self correction. Essentially, it's about making machines smart like humans, right? Can you explain what machine learning is? So, machine learning is a subset of AI where computer learn from data. Instead of being explicitly programmed to perform a task, ML algorithm use a statistical method to improve their performance based on the experience, right? So, yeah. Question number three, if we're gonna look for it. So, AI, ML, and deep learning differentiated. So AI is a broad concept of machine learning being able to carry out the task in a way we consider smart. And ML is a way to achieve AI through learning from data, and deep learning is a subset of ML involving neural network with many layers. Deep neural network that can learn complex pattern in a large data set easily. What is a neural network actually? So a neural network is a series of algorithms that mimic the operations of a human brain to recognize relationship between vast amount of data. They are structured in layers to process information using connectionist approach to a computation. So neural network, once again we're gonna cover it up. So series of algorithm that mimic the operation of a human brain to recognize relationship between vast amount of data. They are structured in layers to process information using connectionist approaches to computation. Can you explain supervised learning? So supervised learning is when an algorithm learns from example data and associated target responses that can consist of numeric values or string labels, right? To later infer outcome or new data. Hmm. Unsupervised means here involves finding a structure in a collection of unlabeled data. So the system must learn to recognize pattern or relationship without any guidance. So kind of a learning without a teacher here. What do you understand by neural language processing? So it's all about focusing on the interaction between computer and human using natural languages. The goal is to computer read, understand, and generate human languages, making human to machine communication more natural. What is a decision tree in AI? So as a decision tree in AI flowchart like a representation of decision and their possible consequences, including chance, event, and outcomes, cost, and utility. It's used in algorithm for making decisions based on multiple conditions here, right? Uh, Explain overfitting in the context of machine learning. So overfitting happens when a model learns the details and noise in the training data uh, to the extent that it is negatively impact the performance of the model on new data. It means the model is too complex and fits the training data almost perfectly but fails to generalize to other data here. What is the role of bias in AI model? So bias in AI model error in the model prediction due to the unrepresentation training data. So if the data used to train an AI system contains biases, the system will make biased decision and potentially leading unfair outcomes or inaccurate prediction. Again, we gonna look for the ninth question, that the overfitting in the context of machine learning. So overfitting happens when a model learns the detail and noise in the training data to the extent that is negatively impact the performance of the model on new data. It means the model is too complex and fits the training data almost perfectly but fails to generalize the other data. Yeah. So that's what. If we overfit it, then it may get confused. So that's what actually it is talking about. So guys, here we have seen top 10 questions of the AI ML part things, and you can see that say that these are the questions that gonna be asked in your interview. more of More of the chance, so be ready for it. And tomorrow we'll be having some Python things, and then basics questions of the Python, like palindrome and all those things, right? Factorial and all kind of stuff I have to be covering up. Sorry for that. And that's all of my time for the today, guys, and see you in the next catch you in the next. Till then, bye, peace.